Hey, hello sa inyo guys. So, at exactly 7:15 a.m. ng February 3, 2025 is mapapanood nyo to. So, babalik na rin tayo sa mga pagtuturo regarding dito sa mga programming languages. So, pangalawang programming languages na ituturo natin is itong si SQL. So, basic syntax parang tuwin, basic programming terms and kung ano man yan nandito. So, getting started muna tayo kay SQL. So, yan. Pwede dyan, andyan yung ito is a terminal and ito yung kanyang database. So, yan. Dyan, makita nyo. So, let's use SQL code to access information about movies. So, yan. Dyan yung select year from movies. Ito yung list or yung table na na-create kay SQL. So, dyan, complete ang code to select your data from the movies. Ayan, ito nga, syempre, year lang yan. Select year from movies. So, syempre, basic pa lang yan. Tapos, syempre, title yan. Kasi sabi dito, title ang gagamitin kasi title yung sineselect from the table ng movies. Ayan. Tapos, yan, complete SQL code to select the movie title from the movies table. Siyempre, select movies from yung table. Select the title from the movies. Ayan. Okay. Next natin information sa data types and databases. Just about every company and organization relies on some form of databases to store and organize information. So yan, may tanong SQL will allow you to interact with the data stored in a database. Siyempre, true ang sagot dyan. Ayan, so SQL code is used to send requests to a database. These requests are known as queries. Complete the query to extract the year of release from the movies table. Siyempre, select siyempre, yung sabi, year lang. Ayan. And then yan. So, record natin is itong horizontal. And then ang field natin or attribute ay yun nasa taas. So, columns natin is field. And then yan, a record or contains information about a subject such as particular employee, a customer, or product like a movie. Use the table in the image to find the number of records. So, ilan yung records. So, may kailan dito yung ID. Ayan, so, syempre, 5 yan. And then, number of fields. Ilan yung fields? 3. So, ang field natin is yung bawat column na nakalagay sa yung table. Ayan, and then, the header. So, header, yung nasa pinakataas, yung mga nakabold sa lahat ng tables. Yan yung ID, title, and year. And then next naman, the select command is used to extract field data from table. Create the query to extract the field. So, syempre, kung yung gagamitin, extract is use the select. And then yan, sa takeaways natin. SQL allows you to work with the data stored in a database. The select query is used to get data from a table. So yun guys, so hanggang dito na muna natin yung ating lesson. So, see you again on my next upload. So yun guys, and thanks for watching.